morning. We will start the morning call. US markets were shut yesterday. Asian markets have opened around 1% higher, although SGX Nifty is up about 0.2 to 0.3%. If we see even risky assets like Bitcoin has bounced by around 10% in last couple of days and is now above the $20,000 mark. Globally, there is some stability, at least in the very near term. Brent crude oil rose about 1% and is at $115. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Thank you, Jihan. Good morning, all of you. Today, the Nifty is likely to open on a flattish note, and we might see some volatile mode during the day. In the last 2 days, we have seen a sideways momentum into the Nifty. On the technical ground front, first immediate resistance is placed at 15,430 level. If Nifty surpasses that level, then pullback rally can be extended towards 15,500 to 15,570 levels on the high side. Present downside 15,230 and 15,120 will act as a crucial support level. As of now, the overall view will remain cautious as long as Nifty trades below 15,570 levels, which is the strong resistance level on the Nifty. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, 33,000 will be the first resistance level. Any move above that level will witness 33,230, 33,400 levels on the higher side. Whereas on the downside, 32,500 and 32,180 is the support levels. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, 15,000 and 15,080 will act as a crucial resistance level, whereas 14,800 and 14,680 will be the support levels for the Nifty Finance. I think that's it from my end. I request derivative guys to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. See, on the derivative front, looking at the overall data, there were good signs for yesterday. And now, looking at the overall, data for today, I believe Nifty is headed upwards, at least up till the 15,500 levels. There is a chance, with Nifty opening gap up, there is a good chance, Nifty reaching 15,500 and above. However, now, on the strikes higher than 15,500, some good amount of open interest has been built in amongst calls. So it will be difficult for Nifty to go above the 15,500 level. So largely, once this bounce comes around the 15,500 levels, exit long positions, and again, stay on the sidelines, because there can be again this selling pressure in Nifty, which can see Nifty going down again towards the 15,200, 15,000 levels, probably in the next week. The PCR continues to remain low around the oversold zone. Open interest is the same, and VIX also is around the 22 level, so it's also the same. So nothing much there. From the stock specific front, some amount of bounce can come in the oil and gas space. So HPCL, BPCL can witness some amount of buying, along with ONGC and even Coal India can witness some amount of bounce. Some incredible amount of shorts were built in yesterday, so some short covering is likely in these stocks and the sector. Overall, banking can witness some short covering as well. So for today, at least, some bounce is expected. And that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
KEC International has won new orders worth 1,100 crores across various businesses. So this is positive. And there is some news on the macro front on the CAPEX side. As per a study done by CRISIL, Financial Express, and other rating agencies, the capital expenditure spends of top 100 companies, excluding banks and financials, in the Nifty 200 index, the capex has risen to 4,65,000 crores in FY22, which is the highest number in the last decade. So this decadal high capex of these companies is partly due to deferred capex plans from FY21 because of the first wave of COVID, and also because of multiple other reasons like a healthy balance sheet post deleveraging across corporates, conducive government support through policy measures such as PLI scheme, reduced corporate tax rates, and accommodative monetary policy with low interest rates. Also, if we see commodity upcycle benefited metal and cement players, rising merchandise exports, uh, supply chain diversification with the China plus one strategy. These were some other catalysts as well. So this trend seems to be continuing even in FY23. Announcements of capex from these top 100 companies are continuing, and this will be positive for sectors like capital goods and commercial vehicles. So if we talk about stocks, what one can look at to play this theme of capex revival, which is happening after almost a decade, one can look at Ashok Leyland, PT Engineering, TD Power, Voltam Transformers, and Kirloskar Pneumatic. So that's it from our side this morning. Thank you for attending. Have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.